Look at Grandma. Hi.
I went to sleep.
What?
Yay.
Can you tell me some more? Knox. Knox, come here. Hi. Focus. Focus. Hello, come back. Hey. Whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
Hi. Hi. He's like looking at my pattern of my dress. Hi.
Oh, she's
Hi. There he is. There he is. Hi. Come back. Are you busy? Hi. I love you. Yeah. Hi. He's got a lot to say when he makes eye contact. Hey, come back. Come back to Grandma. Do you like my skirt? Do you like my skirt? Do you like it? Yes. Tell me about it. Tell me. Really? What else? What else?
Hey.
I'm listening. You happy? Really? I love you. Really?
2, 1.
What are you trying to
One.
tell me?
Oh no!
What are you trying to tell me? Grandma. You're in the background. Hi. Hi, cutie. He's so cute. He's very whoa. Whoa. Drunken baby boy.
Head control, but every
Wow.
once in a while he just
But he got himself,
yeah.
you know. You're so smart and you're so strong. I guess you would agree, yeah?
And he talks every time
You
I
agree?
smooch his
Good
chin.
you!
You agree? Yeah? Can I kiss your face? Mwah.
She tags you
Side
though like this.
face.
Tag. Did you hear that?
Thank you.